Hi there, everyone. Good morning. Are you ready for day 8 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas? I know I am. Let's take a look. Okay, so let's jump right in and see what number 8 is. As you know, if you watched yesterday's video, I guessed it was a mug. There was a really great guess of one of the thimble cups you often see on video in the tutorials for Missouri Star Quilt Company's patterns and stuff. That's probably more likely. I think that's a really good guess, but I'm thinking it's mug or a cup or something like that. So let's see. So it looks like it is that thimble cup. So good guess. I can't remember your name, but hopefully you watch and you see that you guessed correctly. Let's take a look inside. So Missouri Star Porcelain Thimble Cup. This cute cup is seriously awesome. Get your hands on an oversized porcelain thimble to adorn your sewing room. It's perfect as a pencil cup, notion holder, sewing room organizer, or even a little vase. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, I love the color. That is so cute. That is darling. Let me see if it looks, where did I put my button? Those colors are cute together too. So I would definitely use it as a little organizer, but this is darling and it has their emblem on it. I wonder if everybody's getting the same color or if everything's different. So these are cute. Like I said, I will use these. I see the value in them. Everybody's gonna like different things, so not everybody's gonna love every single thing in the box. I think they'll like it. They'll find use for it, but maybe they're gonna like some things more than others. For me, I will use that. I think it's really cute. It wouldn't have been something I would have gone out and bought myself. But I think it's really cute and I will use it in the sewing room to hold something. Obviously I would always love getting more thread, more fabric, more projects, but they're going to put a wide variety of stuff in the box. So, with that said, the batting seam tape yesterday, I looked it up. It had a value of $7.50. So I added that to the total. I'm going to have to look because I forgot what the running total is. So it's up to $65.50 up through day 7. Was it day? Yeah, up through day 7 now. So I'm not sure of what the value of the thimble cup is, but I will take a look on their site. I'm pretty sure these are sold on there. I know I've seen them before. So I'll give you the price on that. So let's take a look and see at the bag for tomorrow for day 9. It is tiny. Look how cute that is. My hands are small too, but still, it's a tiny little bag. It definitely feels like some sort of notion. It kind of feels like a ring, but I don't think it's a ring. It feels open on one side, like some sort of clip or something. Maybe like one of those things that goes over bobbins to hold the threads in place, but that would be pretty lame, I think, because if it's just one. But all the bags can't be like spectacular, I guess. I don't know what it is. I'm excited to see, just because the ones that I have no clue on what it might be really interest me. And I really want to open it just to see what it is, because, I mean, it's definitely circular, maybe. I don't know. I hope there are more project stuff in here though, because although this stuff the last couple days has been cute, the little button, the little cup, and I mean, I'll use the batting seam tape. I'm really hoping that there's more stuff to do projects with. But maybe it's like that high, you know, a curve where the first few days they got us hooked with some great projects with the zippers to make the bags and the fabric and the wall hanger with the pattern, and then it just kind of goes down a little bit where like the stuff's okay and you're like, it's kind of cute, and then it's gonna go back up. So I wonder what day it's gonna go back up to being like really awesome and spectacular. I don't know, that maybe that's just me thinking. If you have the box, what do you think? Have you been like, are you like, oh, the cup's awesome? Or is it in the coaster button? Or are you like, oh, I hope we get back to the fabric and stuff that we can like really use to sew, the thread and fabric and patterns? I don't know. I think everybody's gonna like different stuff, so I'm curious. All right, so tomorrow, day 9, be sure to come back here, check out what's in the rest of the bags leading up to Christmas. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season. This has been a lot of fun. I've gotten a lot of new people on my channel, you guys. So thank you so much for being here. I've been trying to reply to everyone and show that I appreciate you coming and stopping by and watching and taking time to leave comments. It really means a lot to me. I'm having so much fun, and I hope that you guys are too. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you here tomorrow. Bye.